iPhone app notification sounds not working in iPhone after new iOS update. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Guys, if your iPhone app notification sounds stop working after a new iOS update, here are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix the problem. So the first step you need to take to fix this issue is to go to the settings application. Now go down to sound and haptics, tap on it. Here make sure silent mode is off. After that full the volume with slider. Now go down to text tone, tap on it. Here, make sure that the text tone is not checked to none. If the text tone is checked to none, the sound will not work when the notification comes. So select your custom ringtone. Now go back to the settings menu, swipe down to find apps and tap on it. Now swipe down again and select the app whose notification sound is not working on your iPhone. And I'm going to select WhatsApp. Tap notifications. Here make sure sound toggle is on. So guys, even after following these methods, if your problem is not resolved, make sure that the mute switch on the left side of the iPhone is not turned on. If it's showing orange, it is in silent mode. So you need to turn off silent mode. And to close, you have to turn the button to the other side. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.